everyone, it's Raegan at Gateway Toyota, and today I'm here with our parts manager, Sherwin. Sherwin, what do the numbers and letters mean on a tire sidewall?
Hi, okay, I will use this tire as an example. This is a 235/65 R17. The 235 is the width of the tire, the 65 is the aspect ratio of the tire, and the R is for radial, and the 17 is the size of the tire. Now, the aspect ratio of the tire is computed as 65% of the width of the tire. Okay, so now this is what they call a load index and a speed rating. When you guys are selecting the tire, you have to make sure that your tire that you're purchasing has to be in the proper load index. The load index is the load capacity of the tire, and you can see that information in the owner's manual. If you have any questions or you need help on selecting the proper tire size, you can visit us at Gateway Toyota in the parts department.
Thanks for your help, Sherwin. See you guys next time.